Sonos and IKEA have announced the second generation of their Symfonisk bookshelf speaker. It's already available in Netherlands. It will soon start shipping out worldwide to other countries and to other people that want to buy it. The new model tweaks and fixes some little things that the previous model had as a little bit of an issue. First of all, the power consumption has been lowered, so it's able to last a lot longer, and the new design sports a brand new look to it. So it's a little bit better than the previous Symfonisk lamps model. This one looks a little bit more of a traditional, like bookshelf design. It can be put on a shelf. It can be wall mounted. It really is good. There is also support for Sonos multi-room speaker network. There is Apple AirPlay 2. It's really cool. Really cool. The fact that they've lowered the power consumption is really nice. There is also a faster processor in here this time around. It's been worked on. There's a faster processor in here, and it's interesting. Obviously, it's and you can also hook it up to a wall outlet, so you can play music for a very longer time. Like, you don't need to use it wirelessly. Don't kill the battery. Now it has a new button layout. IKEA and Sonos have updated little things. The swipe function is better now. It's not like before. It's better this time, and it's priced at just 100 euros. I will leave all the specs for it in the description if you want to check that out, if you're interested in it. At the moment, it's only available in the Netherlands. It will soon ship out worldwide very soon. If you're interested, do subscribe, do check it out. I'll see you guys very much next time.